When you need to move soil fast and clean up even faster, there's a smarter way to work. Introducing the Supersonic Air Knife LT Vacuum Adapter Kit from Arborjet Ecologel. Designed to work seamlessly with the Supersonic Air Knife LT and ST devices, the LT Vacuum Adapter turns your air compressor into a powerful soil removal system. Switching from digging to vacuuming is simple. Just use the adapter kit to connect the vacuum directly to your air knife. In just a few easy steps, you're ready to clear loose soil and debris. The LT vacuum moves material quickly and efficiently, keeping your worksite clear and your projects on schedule. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the system is built for all-day performance. The durable construction stands up to tough job sites, whether you're working in landscaping, arboriculture, or construction. Whether you're excavating soil for root inspections, trenching for utilities, or prepping a site for planting, now you can dig and clear with the same reliable system. The Vacuum Adapter Kit makes it easy to upgrade your air knife. No special tools, no complicated setup, just more productivity and less downtime. When you need to dig smarter, work faster, and protect what matters underground, the Supersonic Air Knife is ready with precision, speed, and protection all in one tool. The Supersonic Air Knife LT Standard and Vacuum Adapter Kit, only from Arborjet Ecologel. Learn more at arboriculture.com.